My question from you, what is education for? What is education for? Going to school, cramming the information, throw back on the paper by examination and judging the ability by marks and creating the toppers and failure. Is this education? No, this is not education. I do not think this is education. Thousands of students are singing the same song of becoming the topper and ranker. Unfortunately, they are spoiling their career. Schools are talking about future, they are not preparing for them because in the future, most career will be automated. So the people who succeed will have to be curious, innovative and resilient to adopt to new changes. But today's generation is not able to adopt the new changes. Education doesn't mean that only repetitive knowledge. Education doesn't mean you only mug up the lessons and chapters and complete your textbooks and syllabus and appear in the examination. This is not the meaning of education. And that is just real. But in today's world, creativity is the most important leadership skill. You have to believe me. But maybe you will believe the 15,000 executives who recently said creativity is the most important leadership skill. So pretty soon no one will be hired because of what they know. Because who cares what you know or if you have memorized a fact. In the future, people will be hired because of what they can do with their knowledge. Can they creatively solve real world problems? Not just follow instruction or directions and bubble in MCQ questions. So students are stressed, students are in depression because they are performing the robotic task which they learn in the schools, which they learn in the coaching classes. Students are not robots, they are not machines. So these robotic tasks be learned in the schools should stop because no one can do a robot's job better than a robot. Billionaire founder of Alibaba, Jack Ma, said that we should not compete with artificial intelligence but instead focus on developing unique human intelligence. So these repetitive knowledge you must leave behind or in future you are going to find a lot of people graduating out of your school right into the unemployment line. See many top companies today, they do not look at grades. That old way is expiring. Google has been quoted as saying GPA are worthless criteria for hiring. Even founder of Tesla, Elon Musk, agreed. So I say this with unease and sorrow. If schools continue to teach today as you taught yesterday, they rob us students of tomorrow. Yes, if schools continue to teach today as they taught yesterday, they rob us students of tomorrow. I mean no disrespect. Definitely, schools have the most important job on this planet. They build, create and save life. But if you really care about the future of students, then schools have to fully commit and ask itself honestly, how do they prepare a child for a future that doesn't yet exist? Here is a hint. The answer is not found in book. It is using the mind and the heart. So in the future, we will need more passion and compassion, not the repetitive knowledge and the mugging up the textbook and the completing the syllabus. These are the old ways. Leave these old ways behind, otherwise we will create the unemployment line of youths. People with inspired hearts and wisdom to uplift this planet. So we need the education which creates something. We need education which doesn't mean only to getting the job and settle down and having the luxurious facilities. We need education for the enhancing of skill and developing of the internal mindset which uplift this planet. Let's become successful together.